To install Freqtrade using the setup script is very easy. Just run setup sh script and let the script install some libraries needed for the installation process. I will skip to where the initial installation is done. The script will ask you which dependencies you want to install. For beginner, I will advise to not install the full dependencies, because downloading and installing Freqtrade libraries will take times due to the sizes of them. After you answer no for the full dependencies, it will ask about 3 categories of dependencies: plotting, hyperopt, and Freqtrade. Since I'm not going to touch on them in beginner tutorial, you can just answer no to all of them for now. The script will only install essential libraries. I will skip the installation process and jump to when it finished. After the installation is done, you just need to activate the virtual environment using the provided instruction on your computer screen. In the next video, we will touch on how to connect Visual Studio Code to the virtual environment.